what would you say is your most eye-opening experience through all of this?
Things like baby products, like formula, toys, things related to their essentials, like baby bottles and baby bottle nipples. I was shocked that there were toxic chemicals and even heavy metals in baby products. And that really was very eye-opening, that I shouldn't assume anything. So that motivated me to learn as much as I can to make healthier purchases and create the healthiest foundation for my children possible. And I actually resigned from a career I loved in distressed investing, thinking I'll take a year to master this and then I'll go back to work. I never would have imagined I'd spend 8 years diving deep into it, feeling like my children's life depended on it. So eventually I realized that this is actually a path I just need to pursue, because I felt like my younger self would have really wanted to know a lot of what I was learning.